Hi guys! Welcome to another lesson of the day. I hope you are doing well and thank you for viewing. So today I am going to discuss word problems, solving math problems, or critical problem solving. Of course, they are all the same. Math problems, ito yung pinaka-hate ng iilan and that includes me, no? Before. But I learned to love solving and I learned to love numbers. Ang mahirap kasi ay kalaban natin ang sarili natin when it comes to math. Pag nakakita tayo ng math problems, ang ilan sa atin kapag nakakita ng math problems, ay madi-discourage agad na, ay math, hindi ako magaling dito, hindi ako bihasa dito. But always remember guys, in civil service exam, wala kang takas sa math problems. Meron at meron talaga yan and you have no choice but to answer it to get scores and pass. My point is, do not be discouraged about your ability in math. Instead, encourage yourself because you can do this. Practice, practice, practice. Alright, please be mindful that in civil service exam, the worded problems can be percentage problems, work problems, and ratio and proportion. At lahat yan ay included sa ibibigay kong practical test sa inyo with detailed solutions. So let's start and increase your chances of passing. Beginning with percentage problems. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. Jane requested 75,000 pesos for the purchase of construction materials. How much will Jane receive if 18% of the requested amount is denied? 1. 58,000 pesos, 2. 13,500 pesos, 3. 70,000 pesos, 4. 63,000 pesos, or 5. 61,500 pesos. The correct answer is choice 5, 61,500 pesos. Let me explain. 75,000 is the requested amount but 18% of it is denied. Ang tanong ay ilan na lang ang matatanggap na pera ni Jane. So since 18% ang denied, ibig sabihin ng 82% nito, that is 100 minus 18 is 82%, ang 82% nito ang approve. So we compute this as 75,000 times 82%, but we need to convert percentage into decimal form para ma-multiply natin. So 82%, just move the decimal point 2 places to the left, 2 places lang, 1, 2. Dito na ang decimal point, so this will become 0.82. Kinonvert lang natin from percentage into decimal form. So 75,000 times 0.82 or 0.82. Itong mga zeros, tatlong zeros dito, pwede natin ito i-ignore muna at i-bring down natin lang mamaya pagkatapos natin mag-multiply para mabilis ang computation natin. So, diretso dito, 2 times 5 is 10, carry 1. 2 times 7 is 14, plus 1 is 15. 8 times 5 is 40, carry 4. 8 times 7 is 56, plus 4 is 60. Add. This is 0, 5, 1, and 6. Tapos, bring down yung tatlong zeros. Since may decimal form tayo dito, itong 0.82, dapat decimal form din ang sagot natin. So, there are two numbers dito sa right ng decimal point, kaya dito din 1, 2. Dito ang decimal point, so the answer is 61,500 pesos and this is the amount that Jane is going to receive. So, this is correct. Next, number 2. You were selling puto bumbong in front of the church and the owner will pay you 25% of your sales each day. How much will you earn if your sales on the first day is 2,010 pesos and 1,880 pesos on the second? 1. 928.50 pesos, 2. 727 pesos, 3. 802 pesos, 4. 972.50 pesos, or 5. 582 pesos. The correct answer is choice 4, 972.50 pesos. So, i-compute natin. 25% daw ang makukuha mo galing sa sales each day. Since 2 araw ang nakalagay dito, itong 2 araw lang din ang i-compute natin. Ang tanong ay how much would you earn sa 2 araw na ito? So, sa first day, ang sales mo ay 2,010 pesos. Kunin lang natin ang 25% nito, so that is 2,010 times 0.25. Kinonvert ko na from 25% to decimal form, which is 0.25. Just move the decimal point 2 places to the left, 1, 2. Dito na ang decimal point, kaya naging 0.25. So, 2010 times 0.25, ignore muna natin ang 0 para mabilis ang pag-compute natin. I-bring down lang natin yan mamaya. So, 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 0 is 0, 5 times 2 is 10, 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 0 is 0, 2 times 2 is 4, add. This is 5, 2, 0, and 5. Bring down natin yung 0 kanina. May decimal form dito, so decimal form din ang sagot natin. Two numbers, 1, 2, so here, 1, 2. So 25% of 2010 pesos sale is 502.50 pesos. At ito ang amount na na-earn mo for the first day. Sa second day naman, ang sales mo sa second day ay 1,880 pesos. So this is 1,880 times 0.25. Ignore muna natin ang 0. So 5 times 8 is 40, carry 4. 5 times 8 is 40, plus 4 is 44, carry 4. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9. 2 times 8 is 16, carry 1. 2 times 8 is 16, plus 1 is 17, carry 1. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. Add. 0, this is 10, carry 1. 17, carry 1. And 4. Bring down 0. Decimal point, 1, 2. So, dito din, 1, 2. So, 25% of 1,880 pesos sale is 470 pesos. At ito ang na-earn mo for the second day. So, i-add lang natin itong dalawa. 502.50 plus 470. This is 0.50, 2, 7, and 9. So, you earn a total of 972.50 pesos and this is correct. Next, number 3. Auntie Carla bought teacup glasses online. She was dismayed because 4% of the items are broken, 8% are cracked, and 6% have damaged cup handles. If there are a total of 50 items, how many are in good condition? 152, 238, 332, 441, or 554. The correct answer is choice 4, 41. So sa mabilisang paraan, no, pwede kang mag-eliminate agad dito sa choices. Kahit alam na natin ang tamang sagot, explain ko lang. Sinabi na dito sa question na may 50 total items lang, meaning mali na agad itong choice 1 and choice 5 kasi lumampas na sila sa 50. Careful tayo sa mga ganito guys at dapat isaisip natin ang mga given numbers. So pwede na natin itong i-eliminate at tatlo na lang ang pagpipilian upang mas malaki ang tsansa na makuha natin ang tamang sagot. So, effective din ang paggamit ng elimination method, no? So, back to the question, in simple computation, i-plus lang natin itong tatlong given percentage, that is, 4 plus 8 is 12 plus 6 is 18. So, bali 18% yung mga teacup na may sira. Ang tanong ay kung ang total ay 50 items, ilan sa mga ito ang maayos o yung mga hindi sira. So, kailangan muna nating hanapin or i-compute kung ilan si 18% sa 50. So, multiply 50 times 0.18. Nag-convert lang tayo, no? From percentage to decimal form. Moving 2 places to the left, kaya naging 0.18. So, 50 times 0.18, ignore muna natin ang 0, i-bring down natin yan mamaya. 8 times 5 is 40, 1 times 5 is 5, and add 0 and 9. Bring down natin yung 0 kanina at since may decimal form dito, i-decimal form din natin ang sagot natin. So, 18% is equal to 9 items. Ibig sabihin, out of 50 items, 9 items yung may sira. So, simply, 50 minus 9, yun yung bilang ng items na hindi sira. And that is 41. There are 41 items which are in good condition. So, this is correct. Next, number 4. You will receive a commission of 10% of each bottle of dishwashing liquid sold. If a bottle's price is 34 pesos, how much will you earn in each bottle sold, and how many bottles will you need to sell to receive a commission of 51 pesos? 1, 3.4 and 13, 2, 4.3 and 14, 3, 3.4 and 15, 4, 3.4 and 16, or 5, 3.5 and 17. The correct answer is choice 3, 3.4 and 15. Unawain natin no, 10% ang matatanggap mo sa bawat bote na mabibenta mo. Ang presyo ng isang bote ay 34 pesos at ang tanong ay ilan ang mapapasayo sa bawat bote at ilan ang kailangan mong ibenta upang 51 pesos ang matanggap mong komisyon. So dalawa ang hinahanap dito at una nating hanapin kung magkano ang mapapasayo sa bawat bote na mabibenta mo. Since tag 34 pesos ang bote at 10% nito ang mapapasayo, so 34 i-times natin sa 10%. Convert natin, so this will become 0.1 or 0.1. Ignore muna natin itong 0. 1 times 4 is 4 and this is 3. Bring down natin yung 0 kanina and decimal point 1212. 3.4 ang unang sagot. So, sa bawat bote na mabibenta mo ay 3.4 pesos ang mapapasayo. Dito pa lang no, pwede na tayo mag-eliminate sa choices kahit sinabi ko na ang sagot, explain ko lang ito kasi gaya ng sabi ko kanina, mas magiging malapit tayo sa tamang sagot kapag nag-eliminate tayo. So, wrong na ito at ito. Okay, so hindi pa tapos kasi may hinahanap pa tayo kung ilang bote ang kailangan mong ibenta para may 51 pesos commission ka. Para makuha natin yon, division tayo. Let's divide 51 from 3.4. This is the divisor, and when a divisor is a decimal, we need to change it into a whole number. So move natin ang decimal point to the right, so dito na ang decimal point. Mag-move din tayo sa ating dividend at dito na ang decimal point. This will become 510 divided by 34. Ilang 34 meron si 51? Kasi of course, pwedeng ito muna ang unahin natin. So, isa lang. So, 1 sa taas, 34 dito. 51 minus 34 is 17. Bring down 0. Ilang 34 meron si 170? Try natin ang 4. 34 times 4. 4 times 4 is 16. Carry 1. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. Kulang, so mali ito. Try natin ang 5. 34 times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. Carry 2. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2 is 17. Yun, sakto. 170 dito at 5 sa taas. 170 minus 170 is 0, so the quotient is 15. And 15 is the number of bottles that need to be sold. And this is correct. Next, you will receive a commission of 26% for each box of sardines sold. If each of the box is sold for 3,900 pesos, find the number of boxes you need to sell in order to receive a commission of 24,336 pesos. 124, 232, 349, 453, or 562. The correct answer is choice 1, 24. Kagaya lang siya ng tanong kanina pero isa lang ang hinahanap dito. Find the number of boxes you need to sell para makatanggap ka ng komisyon na 24,336. So same lang na computation kanina, hanapin muna natin yung 26% na mapapasayo per box na mabibenta. So that is 3,900 times 0.26. Kinonvert ko na no from percentage to decimal para makapag-multiply tayo. Ignore muna natin itong zeros. 6 times 9 is 54, carry 5. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 5 is 23. 2 times 9 is 18, carry 1. 2 times 3 is 6 plus 1 is 7. Add. This is 4, 3 plus 8 is 11, carry 1, and this is 10. 1,014. So this is the amount na marireceive mo kada box na mabibenta mo. So now, let's find kung ilang boxes ang kailangan mong ibenta para makareceive ka ng komisyon na 24,336 kasi yun naman talaga ang hinahanap natin. So let's divide 24,336 from 1,014. Ilang 1,014 meron sa 2,433 kasi of course, pwedeng ito muna ang unahin natin. This is 2 and here is 2,028. Subtract. Let's borrow from 3. This is 13 minus 8 is 5. 2 minus 2 is 0 and this is 4. Bring down 6. Kung titingnan mo sa choices, ang may initial lang na 2 dyan ay choice 1 which is 24. Iyan na ang isagot mo kung ayaw mo nang magpatuloy sa pag-solve kasi yan naman talaga ang tamang sagot. Anyway, tapusan ko lang para mas makuha natin ang kumpletong quotient, no? Posibleng 4 na ang katabi nitong 2, so let's try 1,014 times 4. This is 16, carry 1, 5, 0, and 4. Alright, we got it right. This is 4,056 and 4 sa taas. So 24 is the number of boxes you need to sell and this is correct. Next, a dress is marked 20% off at a clearance sale. How much is the clearance sale price if the dress was originally sold at 850 pesos? 1. 170 pesos. 2. 212.50 pesos. 3. 182.50 pesos. 4. 165 pesos. Or 5. 210 pesos. The correct answer is choice 1, 170 pesos. We compute this as simply as 850 times 0.20. It is because ang hinahanap natin is the clearance sale price at ito ay 20%. Ibig sabihin, ilan si 20% kay 850. So, kinonvert ko lang si 20% into decimal form. So, 850 times 0.20. Ignore muna natin itong zeros. So, 2 times 5 is 10, carry 1. 2 times 8 is 16 plus 1 is 17. Bring down zeros. Since dalawa yung zeros, lagay natin dito. Decimal point 1, 2, so here 1, 2. So the clearance sale price is 170 pesos and this is correct. Next, in a certain field, a farmer planted 105 seeds of which 84 sprouted. What percent of the seeds failed to sprout? 1, 30%, 2, 25%, 3, 20%, 4, 15%, or 5, 10%. The correct answer is choice 3, 20%. Percent of seeds ang hinahanap, so kung 105 seeds ang itinanim at 84 ang tumubo, so kung i-minus natin si 105 to 84, that is 21. Ito ang bilang ng seeds na hindi tumubo. But then again, percent yung hinahanap natin. So, to find the percentage of the failed seeds, we need to divide the seeds failed to sprout, which is 21, by the number of seeds planted, which is 105. Since mas malaki ang divisor natin kaysa sa dividend, so expected ang magiging quotient nito ay below 1. So, ilang 105 meron si 21? Hindi siya pwede. Kaya place a 0 dito sa taas at 0 dito. 21 minus 0 is still 21. Ngayon, para mapatuloy natin ang pagsusolve, we need to bring something down. Basic division, no? So place a decimal point here at sa taas din, and place a 0. Bring down 0, and we now have 210. Ilang 105 meron si 210? Dalawa, so 2 dito, and this is 0. The quotient is 0.2, which is a decimal form. Percentage ang hinahanap, so convert lang natin itong 0.2 into percentage. Just move the decimal point 2 places to the right. 1, 2. So the answer is 20%, and this is correct. Next number. Zia bought a sale of a facial cleanser for 192 pesos. If the original price was 256 pesos, how many percent is the discount? 1, 12%, 2, 25%, 3, 16%, 4, 26%, or 5, 23%. The correct answer is choice 2, 25%. Kagaya ng kanina, ang hahanapin din natin dito ay percentage. How many percent is the discount? So kunin natin ang difference nitong dalawang given numbers, that is 256 minus 192. This is 4, borrow from 2, 15 minus 9 is 6. So 64, kumbaga itong 64 pesos yung natipid mo kasi nga may sale. Ngayon, kunin natin kung ilang percentage ito. Let's divide 64 by the original price, which is 256. Mas malaki yung divisor natin kaysa sa dividend, so expected again na below 1 ang magiging quotient nito. Ilang 256 meron sa 64? Malamang hindi pwede, so maglagay tayo ng 0 sa taas at dito sa baba. 64 minus 0 is still 64. Ngayon, we need to bring down something para maituloy ang pagsosolve. So place a decimal point at sa taas din. Place a 0 and bring it down. Yo, char lang. Break it down pala yun. So ayun, bring the 0 down, tapos may 640 na dito. Ilang 256 meron sa 640? Dalawa. That is 256 times 2. This is 12, carry 1. 10 plus 1 is 11, carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5. So dito ay 2 at dito ay 512. 640 minus 512. Borrow from 4. 10 minus 2 is 8. This is 2 and 1. We have 128. At ilang 256 meron sa 128? Hindi na naman pwede, so we need to place another 0 here para ma-bring down natin. Now, ilang 256 meron sa 1,280? That is 5. Let's see. 256 times 5. 5 times 6 is 30, carry 3. 5 times 5 is 25 plus 3 is 28, carry 2. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. So, 1,280 dito, 0 na at 5 sa taas. The quotient is 0.25 and convert it into percentage. Moving the decimal point 2 places to the right, 1, 2. So, this is 25% and this is correct. Next number, in an organization of 320 members, 75% are females, of which 25% are young. How many old female members does the organization have? 1, 180, 2, 240, 3, 244, 4, 260, or 5, 287? The correct answer is choice 1, 180. Ganito yan, ang hinahanap natin ay ilan daw ang old female members sa organization. Focus lang tayo dito sa females, no? Female members. Out of 320 members, 75% are females. So, ilan si 75% sa 320? Of course, kailangan muna natin itong hanapin. Let's calculate this as 320 times 0.75. Nag-convert lang ako from percentage to decimal form, no? 320 times 0.75, that is, ignore muna natin si 0. 5 times 2 is 10, carry 1. 5 times 3 is 15, plus 1 is 16. 7 times 2 is 14, carry 1. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 1 is 22. Add. This is 0, 6 plus 4 is 10, carry 1. This is 4 and 2. Bring down lang natin yung 0 kanina, the decimal point 1, 2, so here 1, 2. So 75% of 320 is 240. So there are 240 females in the organization at nilagay dito na 25% of this 75% are young. Kailangan naman natin itong i-compute. Since 75% is equal to 240, so para makuha natin kung ilan si 25%, we will multiply 240 times 0.25 kasi nga sabi dito, 75% are females at sa 75% na yun ay 25% ang mga bata or young. Convert 25% to decimal form, that is 0.25. So, 240 times 0.25. Ignore muna natin itong zeros, no? So, 5 times 4 is 20, carry 2. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. Add. 0, 8 plus 2 is 10, carry 1, and this is 6. Bring down 0, decimal point, 1, 2, and here, 1, 2. So, 25% is 60. So, there are 60 young females. So, kung 240 ang bilang ng lahat ng females at 60 ang mga bata dito, ibig sabihin, i-minus lang natin itong dalawa para makuha natin kung ilan ang old female members. So, 240 minus 60, that is 180. So, there are 180 old female members in the organization, and this is correct. Next, last number. A married couple paid 5,100 pesos each for monthly rental expense. This is 40% of their monthly salary. How much is their combined salary for 3 months? 1. 58,000 pesos. 2. 25,500 pesos. 3. 12,750 pesos. 4. 76,500 pesos. Or 5. 38,250 pesos. The correct answer is choice 4, 76,500 pesos. Tandaan natin na married couple ang nakalagay dito, ibig sabihin may dalawang tao na tinutukoy. A married couple paid 5,100 pesos each for monthly rental expense. So, tagtitig 5,100 sila. Certainly, bumabayad sila ng 10,200 pesos a month para sa renta. And this is 40% ng monthly salary nila. At ang tanong ay how much is their combined salary for 3 months? So, anong una nating hahanapin? Siyempre, yung sweldo nila monthly kung magkano yon. So, division of numbers, let's divide their monthly rental expense together, which is 10,200 by 40%. Convert first 40% to decimal, that is 0.40. Ayan, naging decimal yung divisor natin, transform naman natin ito to whole number. Move 2 places to the right, at dito din sa dividend. Start dividing. Ilang 40 meron sa 102? Dalawa lang. So, 2 sa taas at 80 dito. 102 minus 80 is 22. Bring down 0. Ilang 40 meron sa 220? That is 5. 40 times 5, this is 0 and 20. So 200, 200 dito. Subtract, this is 20. Bring down 0. Ilang 40 meron sa 200? That is 5 and exactly 200. And this is 0. May natitira pang dalawang 0 dito, so automatic dito na agad yan sila sa taas. So the quotient is 25,500. Ito yung combined sweldo nilang dalawa for a month. I-times 3 lang natin ito kasi yun yung hinahanap, kung ilan ang combined salary nila for 3 months. Kung napapansin nyo, may 25,500 dito sa choices. Hindi pa yan ang tamang sagot ha. Wag na wag kayong magpapalin lang dyan. 25,500 times 3, 0, 0, 15 carry 1, 15 plus 1 is 16, carry 1, 6 plus 1 is 7. 76,500 is their combined salary for 3 months, and this is correct. So ayun, that's our 10-item practical test in percentage problems. Naubos energy ko doon ah. But yes, sana may natutunan kayo in solving math problems. Pahabol na technique na gusto kong i-share sa inyo ay keep on practicing handwritten solving. Isulat mo kapag nagsosolve ka at huwag mong iasa ang mga answers sa calculator kasi of course, hindi naman allowed ang calculator during the exam. Well, pwede kung tuwing nagpa-practice ka, i-check mo sa calculator kung tama ba ang sagot mo. Believe me guys, magiging sanay ang utak at kamay mo kapag isinusulat mo talaga. Kahit basic arithmetic operations yan, add, subtract, multiply, divide, mas mabuting isulat. Okay, so sa susunod kong video, yung ibang math problems naman like work problems and ratio and proportion kasi super haba na nito at parang di na kaya ng powers ko. Mag-iipon muna ako ng energy, charot. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, subscribe to my channel and like this video kung nagustuhan nyo. Stay safe and healthy guys. God bless your studies and your upcoming exam. See you on my next videos. Bye!